Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Hope you all are doing good. If you are new to my channel, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys.
Today I'm gonna review a power-free hand blender under 350 which makes your lifestyle easy with this product.
And here is the product, guys. One is hand blender and another one is a chopper which is of Pigeon company. Let me review this first. Guys, this is a power-free hand blender which helps to give a kind of exercise for your fingers. And what about the usage? You can use this as beating, as liquidizing, as churning. See here itself, it is helpful for beating, for any kind of milk powder, and for liquidizing any dal sambar and all, for churning buttermilk. It's very useful. I'll remove this and I'm gonna show this. You can see how it really looks. Guys, by this which helps to give your finger exercise by movement of your fingers. Guys, let me tell you the price of this. You will get this for 250 bucks if you buy this outside any kind of markets. But the thing is, when you buy this in online, in any kind of flipkart or Amazon, you'll get this only for 165 bucks. And I'll share the link in the description. You can go there and you can buy it. Guys, let me review about this second product. It is a hand chopper. It's of Pigeon company, and this is also a power-free blender. I'm gonna open this and I'll show this how it really looks. And it is a blade. You can easily remove this and you can wash it off. And here also the movement will be like this. Guys, I buy this in Flipkart. I got this for 300 bucks and I think it might be more now. I don't know, because I bought this 3 months back ago. Hope you guys like this video. If you guys like this video, please do like and subscribe to my channel, guys. I'll come with my next content soon. Still that, stay tuned, stay safe. Thank you, guys.